My name is Rodell, or you can call me Ro, the realtor that will save you time and money. So this video is for homeowners that want to sell their home on their own. And you want to keep the equity or as much money in your pocket as possible. And you don't want to split the commission with a realtor, even though I recommend using a realtor. So I'm going to go over some basic tips that will be useful to selling your home. So tip number one is to get a pre-inspection. Have an inspector inspect the home so there's no major hiccups that come up along during the sales process. So you want to make sure the condition of your home is still in good condition. You don't know how many times I've went with an inspector to a home and the home looked great on the outside, great on the inside, but it had some underlying problem that no homeowner would know about, not unless they're doing a top to bottom inspection every year on their home. So you want to get that pre-inspection. You don't want any major hiccups or anything out of the blue coming up during the sale of the home. So now that moves us to step number two. You have to stage the home, get all your things out of the home, and declutter your home. So you want to start moving things out of your home that you don't need, or putting it in storage. So you'll have a nice open space, and buyers that come into the home can visualize how their furniture will look in the home by the way you set up your furniture. So you want to stage the home. After you finish staging the home, you want to take pictures of the home, attractive pictures of the home, because pictures can make or break a deal, or people are just very visual. They are very visual, and the better pictures that you will take, the more interest you will get on your property. After you've taken the pictures, some homeowners, they just think that posting it up on Zillow is just going to do the job. But no, you have to market that home. Sometimes posting it up on Zillow will just do the job, but you have to get out there and market your home. I suggest letting everyone know in the neighborhood that your home is for sale. Put a for sale sign outside of your home and let anybody know that's driving by your home or is in the neighborhood, my home is for sale, because most of the direct sales of homes come from people's friends or family that is already in the neighborhood. So you want to market your home that way. You want to create a YouTube video. Go on different posts, home selling posts on Facebook groups, and advertise it that way.